Hello everyone, welcome to Musical Engineer. I hope you are doing absolutely amazing. So happy New Year 2022 to everyone, all my subscribers and people who will be viewing this video. So in this video I'll be discussing about few topics like many people they connect me through LinkedIn, and they those who are joining to CGI for the first time, they ask me that like when they will be getting the CGI kit like laptop and the other accessories that they get with that. So I'll tell you that whenever your training gets started, you will maybe in the midway of your training you will get all your necessary the CGI kit. So and along with that you may get some accessories like headphone, and also like a bag you get, and with that a bottle, and it might differ place to place, but these are the accessories that you get. So I will tell that don't worry about the training. And many people also ask me like that how will be the training, should I brush up something? Yeah, you can definitely brush up few topics like whatever domain you have been assigned for. Yeah, maybe it is Java, .NET, PLSQL, or whatever the domain may be. You can just brush up a little bit, and don't worry much about the training, because like in the training you will be again brush up with the basics. Little bit of basics you should know, like whatever you have prepared for the interview, like those things will also only be like slightly touched upon. So don't worry much. Focus on the training, focus on your learning, and you will do great. About the toll gates, if you ask me, many people are confused. Like I have already made a separate video, and that was actually like focused on automation testing. So in the similar way, like in whatever domain you might be in, don't worry much, because if you focus on your learning and go with the flow, it will be not very challenging, I can tell you. And always work in teams. Try to get connected with the people, try to get connected with the peers that you have, and also like always raise your questions during the training. If you have any doubts, clear it itself, and ask the instructors about the problems which you have. Solve the doubts among your peers and with the instructor, so you will not face much problem, I guess. And all the best. I hope you will do great, and don't worry much about the training. Let the training start, and you will understand everything. So hope you will do great in your journey to CGI, and I wish you all the best. Stay connected. Like if you still have any other doubts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and also comment your views, like whatever any other problems if you have, so that I can make video on that part also. So bye bye, wish you all the best.